It all begins with the badge, AMG. 3 letters that tell you everything you need to know. Born on the racetrack and raised in the heart of a Falterbach, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG lineup is no longer just about performance. It's about dominance refined through innovation. The moment you slide into the sculpted driver's seat, the experience becomes less about transportation and more about transformation. Every inch of the cabin is handcrafted to perfection, a fusion of luxury and purpose that only AMG dares to offer. Carbon fiber trim meets microfiber suede, aluminum meets Nappa leather, and ambient lighting quietly pulses like a heartbeat waiting to be unleashed. Under the hood lies a marvel of German engineering, a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, pushing out an earth-moving 603 horsepower in the S variant. It's not just a number. It's a declaration. This engine doesn't growl, it roars. The exhaust note is unapologetically aggressive, calibrated to deliver thunder on demand with every press of the throttle. Paired with AMG's SpeedShift MCT 9-speed transmission, shifts are lightning fast, seamless, and brutally precise. 0 to 60, just 3.3 seconds. But this isn't just about straight-line speed. The AMG Ride Control Plus suspension system adapts in real time, reading the road, your inputs, and even your mood. Whether you're carving through canyon roads or cruising on the highway, the 2025 AMG delivers balance like no other. Step outside and the design tells its own story. The Panamericana grille sits proudly between adaptive LED headlamps, flanked by larger air intakes that serve both style and substance. Aerodynamics aren't just engineered, they're sculpted, from the aggressively contoured side skirts to the rear diffuser and active rear spoiler. Even at a standstill, this car looks fast. 21-inch forged wheels finish the look with menace and grace. Inside, the tech suite is equally savage. The latest MBUX system isn't just smart, it's intuitive, learning your habits, preferences, and patterns. The dual 12.3-inch digital displays melt into one continuous screen of real-time feedback and media immersion. Track pace is built in, giving you live telemetry, lap times, and performance stats on the fly. Voice control, augmented reality navigation, and advanced driver assists all come standard. This is AMG in its purest form, relentless, luxurious, and unmistakably forward-looking. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG doesn't just challenge the future of performance. It is the future.